First, turn off the original car power disc. Disassemble the seat belts. The seats are electrically adjusted to the front or the end. Remove the 4 screws that hold the seat in place. Pay attention to aligning the seats and raising them. It is convenient for subsequent construction. Remove the side panels. Pull out the seat power plug. The entire seat was removed. 2 small words. Insert the headrest. Lift it up. Lift it up. Take out the headrest. Remove the backrest. Buckle down all the buckles in turn. Unplug the original car. Remove the screw holding the side panels. Pry the left and right sides with a skid board. The seat cushion detaches. The same goes for the backrest. Buckle down all snap sleeves. Remove the airbag screw. Small word up. Unplug the airbag. The backrest is off. Martin fixed the left and right cushions and wrapped them up. Plastic front cover inserted into headrest lever. 2 small words against the plastic front cover on both sides. Pull back gently. The steel pipe can be slowly lowered. Put the airbag of the original car into the airbag bag. Tidy up the sockets facing down. The wrapped backrest is directly stuck into the plastic front cover. Note that the sponge must be stuck in place. Then remember to plug in the airbag. The screw position opens a small hole by itself. Tighten the screws. The leather case is fully stuck in place one by one, according to the card positions of the plastic front cover. When buckling the clip, you must pay attention to pulling it smoothly and buckling it up. Rearrange the sponge in the wrinkled position. Pull and smooth. And here, pull the sponge out a little bit. Pull the straps from the front to the back as well. Unilateral airbag is not full enough. It can be directly stuffed with cotton. Pay attention to adjust the full shape. So is the seat cushion. Put the sponge in first. Tuck all the leather under the seat until this position is level. The uneven position is pulled by the border. Buckle up this big button. The side clip is also buckled. The exposed sponge is wrapped in it. If the innermost piece is wrinkled, pay attention to adjusting the position of the sponge and leather case many times. Adjust repeatedly, like this. Stretch it. After straightening to a satisfactory state, buckle the side clip. The side panels are also aligned and stuck. Organize the fixing belt under the seat. Put the buckle on. If ventilation is installed, split the clip in two and fasten it. Tighten the side panel screws. The silver buckle is stuck on the back plate. Align the card position and tighten the sides of the head first. Adjust it. Align with the clip position and tap to tighten it. The back plane of the original car is aligned with these two positions. When fastening up, press the steel pipe down. Hook the back plate. The headrest sponge is buckled on the plastic headrest. Put the headrest leather case in first. Use a rocker to stuff all the edges into the card. Gold clips on the card. The alignment position is fixed directly. The same goes for the label. Use the gold clip to find the position of the card mark. Press it down directly and clamp it. In this way, the entire seat is successfully installed. Note that if there is any problem, adjust it in time, it will definitely do better.